AI browsers are everywhere right now, but honestly, the more agentic they become, the more stressful they feel, especially when it comes to privacy. Because most AI tools today want access to everything: your tabs, your browsing history, your chat, your contacts. And as the creators, freelancers, or professionals, that's not a small thing. We research, we write, we plan, we open sensitive tabs every single day. So when Neo reached out, the real question for me was not, does this browser have cool AI features? It was, can an AI browser actually be trusted? Right now, most AI experiences live as extension or side tools. They interrupt your workflow, put you out of what you are doing, and often push everything to the cloud. Instead of feeling helpful, they add more noise, more tabs, more pop-ups, more uncertainty about where your data is going. AI is supposed to reduce mental load, not increase it. And that's where a lot of current tools miss the mark. That's where Neo takes a very different approach. Neo is a safe AI-native browser built by Norton team. It does not add AI on top of the browser. It rebuilds the browser around AI. The idea is not to interrupt you, it's to assist quietly in the background, only when it actually makes sense. Neo is available on both Mac and Windows, and it's completely free. Before getting into the features, this part really matters. In Neo, your chats and browsing history are stored locally on your device. Your data stays yours. Neo is backed by Norton Web Shield, which helps block malicious website, phishing links, and can even detect phishing emails before you click. What stood out to me in the control? You decide what Neo remembers, what it forgets, or whether it remembers anything at all. You can view, edit, or delete memories at any time, or turn it off completely. In an AI era where trust often feels unclear, Neo is built around transparency. Now, let's talk about how Neo actually feels to use. Neo has something called the magic box. It's a single input where you can search, ask questions, summarize pages, or take actions. Instead of jumping between tabs and tools, everything starts from one place. Neo's AI is also context aware. It understands what's on your screen and helps without breaking your focus. One feature I find especially useful is peek and summarize. You can hover over links to preview or summarize context before opening it. This saves time and reduces unnecessary tab overload, which, if you are like me, happens all the time. And beyond tabs, Neo has also a smart feed that surfaces articles based on your browsing context. So you see content that's actually relevant to what you are working on. You are fully in control here. You can tweak or customize this anytime in settings under personalization. Neo makes a lot of sense for content creators doing research and writing, students working across multiple sources, freelancers and professionals managing complex workflows. Basically anyone who wants AI support without sacrificing privacy or mental clarity. This video is my full review of Neo after using it extensively. I have tested it across multiple workflows and I can confidently share how it performs in real-world scenarios, including both strengths and areas for improvement. Neo is completely free and available on both Mac and Windows. If privacy-first AI browsing matters to you, this is definitely worth checking out. You will find the link in the description. Try it out, explore it, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.